Alright guys, we are at the airport. Tomorrow's my birthday. Period. We're going to Jamaica. We're going to Jamaica. You know, it's a long overdue girls trip. There's supposed to be more people, but you know, it's life though. They'll make the next one. So we got Latifah here. We got Santani. Yo. We got Novi over there. I'm gonna get Novi when we go back over there. But yeah, we're about to get a mimosa right now.
Excited? Like,
yes, we outside. We outside. About to get a mimosa and start the, you know, day right before our flight. And yeah, so you gonna order on here? Oh yeah, I was waiting for her, but I guess I'm ordering here. Very light on the drinks.
you can put a little regular for me.
Bombana. The lady put basically champagne in there and wow. Thank you so much. I'm about to bring my pizza. Bombana. Whoa, she did. What's it, her name? Wow, she put a lot in here.
Bro, the champagne is up to here. And then she put the orange juice.
We'll be back, guys.
The blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter with the trees. Want to stand up, my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means?
Yo, where we at?
Finally.
We have here.
It's not hidden me that I'm actually.
Right, it don't feel real. Me and big bags. Hey guys, so we're on the resort right now. We got here a little bit ago, but yeah, we just been freestyling.
We just walking around, you know what I'm saying? Just, you know, scoping the scenery out. That's what we're doing. And it's a vibe. It's a vibe.
I'm about to just sit. I'm about to just sit by the pool.
Let's stop hard on the
You going back to the room, Novi? You going back to the room? We could sit anywhere. But yeah, guys, what y'all gotta say? How y'all feeling? Day one.
Tired. I'll have more energy tomorrow. Stay tuned.
Yeah, we got a lot of stuff planned for these days that we're here, so we're gonna make it work. So yeah, I'll catch you guys.
That's gonna be fun. Like,
I'll catch you guys on the flip.
You're gonna be lit.
On the flip side. All right, we're going out tonight.
So you don't
To bring in my birthday, and we're going out again tomorrow.
Oh, I want to peek. Yo. You remember how we was in Miami?
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
No,
Miami was
wild.
lit. Every night we were, yo.
Yeah. There was something going on.
It was always something.
Right, every day, like, oh, it was fire.
Is this the beach?
From the beginning. Probably lost girl.
Oh no, there's people over there.
Oh, so soothing.
See the cruise boat there?
Also, tomorrow in the day, there was a hunt that they have in Denver.
Happy birthday! Woo! Woo! Happy birthday!
Not terrible. Alright guys, so at the hotel, my birthday. Gotta go rafting soon. That's what we got today. We got some breakfast. So yeah. We gotta have a time tonight. We gotta turn up tonight. We got to turn up this whole weekend. So stay tuned. Alright? Alright, later.
Yes, I'll take a shot with them.
Okay, no.
I'll take a green tea shot with them.
So wait, give him a green tea.
Okay, now.
Happy birthday! Thank you.
So pretty, what's your drink in the meantime while these ladies sit there, Sean? What's your drink, honey? Can I do a Bob Marley? Sure, I'm gonna give you
Ooh, I like that one. Ooh, Bob Marley. I heard it taste
But
good.
wait, I'm gonna give you a virgin shot to take the shot with you guys, alright? It's good bartend, but I don't drink either, okay? So nothing is wrong, it's not. You have to accept a person for what they don't do from what they do.
Right.
So she's so smiling among you guys and she's gonna be having a good time, okay? Whatever I'm gonna give you is gonna rock your heart, let you feel special, girl.
No, party with us over
Your
there.
vacation.
That's like, you're like that. Like, Russian.
Thank you. Wait, you have it?
Yeah, young section. Oh, I got your puppies over there. How you doing? Oh, it's there? Ready now? Beautiful.
Honey, come and tell me your drinks, madam. Madam? Honey, madam, come and tell me your drinks.
Yeah, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Where you guys from?
New York.
Yes.
Yeah. What's that?
Where y'all from? Bronx? Yeah, it's for that was the Yankees already.
I don't watch this. I was go to a basketball game.
Exactly. You can do it.
Baseball, I don't understand all that.
Oh, you got a basketball.
I'm a next.
You're right.
LeBron fan.
Ready?
Are we taking it?
Y'all work for NCA.
I'm ready.
I'll be working at 6 train over there.
Come closer.
Come.
Cheers. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Many more to come.
Wait, let me bring over.
I will say the same, but I don't know how to say it. In Atlanta, they be like up to it, down to it.
Oh, fuck niggas that don't do it.
Yeah, okay, so you know what? I'm not from there. Exactly.
Ready? Happy birthday. Happy
birthday.
That wasn't bad. That's not bad, yeah. Ooh, I like that. How your safe like? We'll be over there freestyling.
What a special one there, but they want 4 light beers.
How was the shot, guys? You
It was good. It was good. It was smooth.
Yeah, I might want to get another one. Y'all want to?
Yeah.
Birthday girl.
Those are right here.
I went in, I took my shoes off.
Hi. Thank you.
And she's happy she started to get her Enjoy your birthday one as well. It was okay.
The original one is good? Yes, it was really good.
Y'all already know. Raise it down first.
Oh, we just met. Oh, she's right here.
Happy
What I said, I don't know what I know, but where I should go. Rich.
So you still wearing the one birthday as well? All right.
Say hi to the camera. It's Bob.
Hey, she
Yes, Bob. Say hey. Say happy birthday.
Huh?
RIU MONTEGO. I'm looking at.
Say hey to the Bob.
Birthday. Give it up to the birthday girl. you guys. It's been a long time.
Thank you. I mean, you too.
What you gotta say to the camera?
What's up?
Period.
Happy birthday to you in Jamaica.
Period.
Hope you enjoy your vacation.
Thank you.
Wanna come in the-
Make sure you get your pictures by him when you come down.
Ricardo.
You know?
That's me.
Outside. He's talking about he's shy. He's not shy. Look at him. You bigging up yourself.
I'm shy.
No, you're not.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Black Barbie here in Jamaica. Make sure when you come to Jamaica, you check into the RIU Montego Bay. Go follow me on TikTok at Majestic Beauty, alright? Peace.
This one.
The queens of RIU Montego Bay, ladies and gentlemen. How's everybody doing? Are you having a good time so far? Sounding good, sounding good. As I like to say, we're here for a good time, not a long time. And we're about to count down the foam right now. You want me? Alright then. Hey.
Anytime you know you can call me. She a cooking at the morning, you call me. I say you call me, I say you call me.
Eyes on the prize.
Oh yeah, oh God, oh God.
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Alright guys, so it is Friday. We didn't get to do rafting yesterday, so we're doing it today. Yeah. How you feeling, Latifa?
I don't have a phone. I fell in the water. And yeah, but overall I'm excited to be here.
Period. She was turning up last night.
Oh my goodness.
10 Teddy, how you feeling?
Tired enough?
We was outside last night. We was doing whatever. We was doing whatever. But I'm gonna keep you guys posted for later. So see y'all. Hey, hey, hey. Whoa, whoa. As you guys can see, we're on the raft. We'll be back. Pick up AJ. That's Alright guys, so here we're now at the beach. You guys can see the view. Yeah, we did a lot today. We did the rafting today and it was a good experience. Our tour guide was lit. Like, shout out to AJ, big up yourself. Yeah, so they're having an all-white glow party tonight, so we're going there and then whatever else after. I just want to say that my 26th birthday was successful. Girls trip successful to Jamaica. Buddhist and beat with. And yeah. But yeah, so we're going to do the party tonight and then we are supposed to go on the party boat tomorrow and maybe ATVing. Yeah, so we'll see about that. And I'll keep you guys updated. Right now, Jamaica is doing its thing, is doing its big one. It's lit. They had me go up on it. I'm gonna insert videos to let you guys see what I was going through while I was here because I don't even like attention like that, and because it was my birthday, they were wild. But yeah, see you guys soon.
Everybody put their hands up. Keep your hands up. Let's go.
So guys, we're here at the all-white party and it's dumb hot. It's so hot, like
It's already hot outside. Why we gotta come inside?
there's so much people in there. Like, it's not even safe to the way how hot it is. Like there's no central air and it's outside. So imagine. So yeah, we about to just freestyle, whatever the case may be. So yeah, we're about to go to another place soon, so we're not worried about that. But still, we wanted to, you know, shout out the all-white party. But it's too damn hot. It's too damn hot. So I'ma catch y'all when we, you know, I'm stepping right now. Still turning up. Still turning up. Still turning up. Huh? Still turning up. Yeah.
What you drinking?
I got a pina colada, extra shot.
Okay.
Her. Got me a rum punch. Tampon.
Okay.
The glasses.
This is a Long Island iced tea. It's a little, but it's the strongest drink, so and I need something strong right now, okay? All right? All right.
All right. See you there? See you there and we're out. I'm drunk, y'all. Don't mind me. I'm drunk. Cause what? Cause you ain't around, baby. My whole world's upside down. So guys, we left the all-white party, as you can see. It's too hot to be in there to even function. So yeah, we'll catch you guys at the other event that we're going to. So yeah, see you guys. Whoa, whoa.
Come on. Get it down. Get it.
Thumbs up.
Now even.
Oh, pick up yourself.
What?
If you don't have money, they get cheated on.
It's not even
Money.
yeah, that's like 50.
And I heard y'all. Not that we want y'all money, but we just
hello.
saying.
Money is the least thing, because guess what? You see, with most Jamaican women, they're independent.
Yeah.
Right.
We like to work.
Have our
We
own.
have ambition.
But a lot of men don't like
Come.
women with ambition.
Say hi to my vlog.
No, you see, no man, no, we can't say
No?
I got to do that because
Yeah.
we like
Be vlogging.
work.
What's up?
For YouTube. Yeah.
Now I know what
Yeah, because we're independent. Because we leave our work, we get fired, we'll find another work. We know
Can I work it?
If we can't work, we'll get boned.
Work it.
Can't work, you get boned, brother.
No, you have to.
Alright guys, it's our last day basically. We leave in a few hours. Yeah, we're eating breakfast right now. And Teddy. No be coming. Yeah, Jamaica trip 2024. Movie, viral, how? Alright? But yeah, I just wanted to keep you guys up to date. Yeah, this trip was one for the books. And yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe, share with whoever. And yeah, love y'all. It's been real. We're leaving.
We're sad.
So sad. We're gonna miss this view. Let me show you guys the view. Let me show you guys the view. We're going to miss this view. Definitely going to miss this view. But we'll be back, Jamaica. It was lit. It was a movie actually, but we out.